Hello family. Welcome to your channel. Today I bring you a video on a fruit that is extremely good for your health, which is the Oregon tea. Oregano or Origanum vulgar is a beautiful herbaceous perennial plant of the Lamiaceae family, which is classified as an aromatic plant. In this video, we will accompany you to present the 5 benefits when consuming oregano tea. Let's go. Number 1. Relieves inflammation. Oregano acts as an anti-inflammatory due to its high concentrations of compounds. Oregano also strengthens muscles and bones and, of course, it is perfect to fight against diseases with symptoms such as inflammation in different parts of the body. Number 2. Treats respiratory ailments. Oregano has properties that act against flu and bronchitis. This plant has phenols that give it an antiseptic and antiviral action that facilitates the treatment of respiratory infections, ideal for reducing the growth of bacteria and viruses, thus improving the capabilities of the immune system. Number 3. Prevention of cellular aging. A spoonful of oregano leaves is enough to prevent the formation of cells. Oregano is sufficient to prevent cell aging and consequently the aging of the skin. This plant provides as much antioxidants as a whole apple, the whole number. Number 4. Improves the skeletal system. With the passage of time, the bones of the body weaken and there is an increased risk of fracture, so to counter this problem, oregano is perfect because it has calcium and iron, which are essential minerals to strengthen the bone system and protects us from possible osteoporosis. Number 5. Purifies the body. Oregano helps to eliminate asbestos by purifying the body. It does this by helping your liver, which is always working to clean your blood. You are probably wondering how to consume oregano to enjoy its wonderful effect. To do this, you put a teaspoon of dried oregano leaves in a cup, add hot water, then cover and let it sit. You can add sugar or honey according to your taste. Don't forget to consult your doctor before following any of these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos.